Want to invite other players to your house or just have fun in a group? In Adopt Me, you can host your own party using the in-game party system. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Go to your house. First, make sure you're inside your own house in Adopt Me. You can teleport to your home by opening the backpack, tapping on the house icon, or clicking the home button at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Use the party invitation system. Once you're in your house, look to the right side of your screen and tap the mailbox icon, sometimes called the party icon. Then click Throw a Party. Step 3. Fill out the party form. You'll be asked to enter a party name and a description. Keep it clear and fun. This is what other players will see. For example, party name, Adopt Me Dance Night. Description, come hang out, trade pets, and enjoy free pizza. After filling it out, tap Start Party. Once you send the invitation, it will go out to everyone on the server. Other players can choose to teleport to your house and join the event. You'll see them arriving shortly after. And that's it. That's how you create a party in Adopt Me and invite the whole server.